How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are here at this same house with the laminate repair, and I got 100% complete today. Only thing that is lacking is the pocket doors. Store owner does not want me to mess with this. He's going to have a guy come out and work on the doors themselves rather than disturb the floor there. So everything else is complete. We got this little gap over here put together, cut back down. Now they'll be coming in to put the trim back. I just kind of pried it away and set it back down there. It's not me to do that. They're doing their own trim stuff. And we got this around the brick all completed today. Got it completely wrapped up and done. I had to run into a few pieces into here. You can see my marks. See the white marks, which, don't get me wrong, they just wipe off. They are marks using this, which is a very, very good marking pen for hardwoods, laminates, and such. Right there's the name of it. You see that? Tough carbon marking pencil, and it is by Ox. Okay, very good to have. I've got me a bunch of refills in it so that I can have multiple colors. Anyway, the marks right here, where you see the marks, what I was going to say is I mark that way I know in between there and so forth is cool glide tape. That way I would know where to set my iron when I was putting these boards back in. So that's the point of those marks there. And I'm still in the process of cleaning up, so it didn't get complete. I'm not completely cleaned up yet. Anyway, these boards over here that was short, that we addressed or talked about yesterday, I got that all completed. And again, I've done the same thing that I did in the other room. I just pulled this end of this trim off. That's why it's a little bit loose there. It needs to be reshot on. And was able to take my pull bar here and just tap it over a little bit to where those right there would cover real nicely. So didn't have to move it much, just a little bit to make those cover. And that's going to be about it. We are absolutely complete with this job. So I am home now. Let's see here what time it is. I ain't even sure exactly what time it is. It's about 4 o'clock, I think, something like that. And what you guys probably know that my daughter is living with me, my grandchildren and stuff like that. Well, I guess a couple years ago, I came out here in this room right here and showed you guys my wife out here working and stuff. Well, what I've been doing in my spare time is actually making my daughter living quarters out here. I'm making her a bedroom out here in the garage. I'll just turn around and let you see what I've been doing in my spare time to keep myself busy, so I'm not just sitting around twiddling my thumbs, which there's always something to do. So this is it. We'll walk right out the door there. This is a 10-foot ceilings out here, so you can see the 8-foot and then the extra couple feet up top. So I've been working, I guess, I don't know how long it's been now, but anyway, this is the outside of it. I've not got it paneled yet. I'm going to put paneling up. See, the paneling I'm using right here is what I'm going to put all on the outside of this thing. Let's see. Anyway, it comes around like so, all the way up. I'm no framer, I'm no sheetrock person or anything like that, so you guys will probably criticize my work in here, but this has been it. I've done everything myself so far, except for hook everything to the breaker box. I run all the wiring and everything like that. Put in a couple lights here. I got another wire run up there for a ceiling fan. My own electrical for the plugs, the light switches and stuff. Kind of proud of myself on that because I learned all that stuff on YouTube, just how to do electrical and stuff, which I did my studio out there too, but got one coat of mud on and sanded. Now I should have already had that corner bead on when I done that, but I didn't. I got a little ahead of myself. But anyway, this is it. This will be her bedroom. I had to fill this up with concrete, and I'll be feathering that out. I'm probably just gonna do some click together flooring in here. I was thinking about doing some super fancy glue down vinyl plank, but I don't think I will. So I was thinking about doing some kind of real nice glue down vinyl plank in here, but kind of decided against that. I think I'm just going to go something that's super easy and fast to do, some kind of click together vinyl plank or something like that. Just something I can deal with real fast and be done with it, because this project I've been working on it for a while already, so I'll kind of be glad to be done and get her moved out here. My office is a wreck in there, and once she gets done, we're gonna split the 2 bedrooms that both the kids and her are in now is in 1 bedroom. Both grandkids or 2 of the grandkids and her is in 1 room right now. And we're gonna take my office and move it out into one of the shipping containers. And 1 kid is gonna have 1 room, the other kid's gonna have another room, and this will be Kimberly's room. So it's gonna give everybody a lot more room. I'll have a bigger office. They'll all have their own room. So it's gonna be good. I'm just about ready to be done with it. So cock-a-doodle-doo. Just wanna thank you guys once again for tuning in. And if you have any recommendations or anything like that, that you would like to see for any future videos, leave them in the comments. I'll be glad to address them. No, I'm not getting burnout and out of ideas to do. This is just so much easier to do. They're short, simple, on-the-job little videos. I will still be doing my teaching videos as I always have. Those just take a lot more time. And I told you guys that I was gonna ramp up every part of my business this year. I was gonna go gung-ho on it and go. I'm gonna get my YouTube channel pumping. I'm gonna get my online store pumping. I'm getting my physical work business going. So this is just part of getting the YouTube channel ramped up. This is that part. And again, thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, FBSB's out.